I said,
c'est ton bâti. Non, ton bâti.
no, they don't want to talk. But they are against
Yes, against government.
Oh, we don't know the way to talk about Cameroon. Yeah, that's so no.
So we don't say what we don't say what
For Cameroon, truth na bad thing.
Hano.
Cameroon, they do
bad thing. But when you talk to they take you like bad man.
Yes. So
the same as it to talk now. They made a move that different for fake food. Put different food. There's no big thief for marriage to food. Nobody don't turn a bad man. Any man is
so, Mama, I say, now that people don't say they don't go for America.
They don't go America.
So what's
your family?
What's your opinion?
Well, Lapiro, he don't see and say for you for stay here. If he still go back for that Kunangi, he don't run. So I know so that's all my own.
Since we do that music with the crowd, say
yes.
You know.
Yes.
They say PDP, say something happen for you.
Yes. So now he don't go here.
Okay. But I say Lapiro, I didn't have friends. He don't go for America. What is your own opinion?
My opinion.
Yes. What's the Lapiro don't wrong way for America?
And the glass go because the VV packs, the VV take some way eliminate it. Yes, as he going so the better as it and safe in life. Because we need to know.
Big man, Lapiro don't go for America, leave with for here. What is your opinion?
When you say I'll be very happy, Lapiro na staff for Cameroon way to show concern that there is people they need to be willing. So that for that reason, I'll be very happy. America na big nation. You go lightly progress, you go further.
Okay, very good. But my point is Lapiro this morning, I say don't go for America, big man. What is your opinion?
No, if Lapiro don't go America, perhaps he'll try for get out of the mess of this nation because he has been suffering in the hands of the government of Cameroon because of his truth, because of his defense to the underprivileged and all the like. And I believe that the album he has just released, according to the topic or the title I'm getting from the paper, maybe his word is taking him out of the place because it might not allow him rest. Because when he talked of Tulemona Kodange, he was the first person to be taken to New Bell in Douala.
That's correct.
Perhaps this one they might be dismissed, and maybe they may eliminate him.
That's correct.
In the point of this part, well, he's free to go.
Yes, Lapiro going him to America. What's your opinion?
I want to say that there is somebody who Cameroon should actually take note of because I seem like a prophet, somebody who can see ahead. So sure he has seen fire coming, so he's running away. Because from what we see, he has been said that in about 2011 everybody will be going to Konenge, and it happened. So if you can see him running now, then fire is coming. Well, that's why I see it.
It will be give some money for
they say to forget about money, gentlemen.
Forget about money. What I'm saying is that wait. My friend,
you pay very fully as money is concerned. Money. What's about money
aside?
Government officer never ever do. Government officer never ever do what to don't do. Today na indiscipline. No indiscipline. You be work money, some money chopper. You be work that time. And he get money. He the final about that young one the way they say the medal on indiscipline. How many years don't play? To have done it and he has done the right thing. Those people who are annoyed with Aito, let them be annoyed. Let them go and play the position of Aito now. Simple. I've been very happy to make the government play. Make the reason out.
Everybody like money.
The thing I said, normally for national team, any man get one time where they can't shine. He don't come shine for your own time. And on time they don't get like captain, but he don't try to make sure some kind of thing the way he can meet up and where he big brother them. They not be fit for do. He don't try for say may try for correct that he turn bad man now. The first sanction they give 3 years we no go play. There's so many appeal. They give 10 days to appeal, it's enough for appeal. Because people sit down against the judge matter for man when never appeal. Reduce them for 8 months. Now they call you back for national team. You just say they call me can play the match for not today. The match for today, so it is in the finish now. It is in the finish now next 2 weeks. It's actually not the finish. It never yet finished, but they call me can play.
Jesus Christ died because of the truth. Yes, I say we kill Jesus. That.
Yes.
So it could
can you work money somebody? You
You in particular? No! Answer this question first. Can you want money somebody?
No, it's just no. You don't talk about people. We're talking about who?
Forget about it. Don't.
No, ask him a question. No,
Hold the camera, no press anything, you laugh for my eye. Just hold and so for my yes, look at the sky. Put it in the sky. Very beautiful sky on this Saturday in our beautiful town called Kumba in the southwest region of Cameroon. I've been absent from here a long time now. I have been trying to do a few other things, trying to repair LDP office in Barombikang, trying to do my consultancy with the Post newspaper, and then I just said today, well, since it's a Saturday weekend, I should come around and play with my people again here in Buya Road, on the way to the heart of Kumba. And then here now, two major issues have been on the table during this open air discussion. Number one was the Lapiro issue. We just saw in Le Messager that Lapiro Dembanga has finally said, fuck you to Cameroon. He has got him to America. Americans are always wise country. Yes, when they see talent, they don't hesitate. So when you're wasting your talent in your country, Americans always takes them. Yes, so Lapiro has told Cameroon, bye-bye, and has carried his family and got him to America. And Cameroonians here are saying, good for you, Lapiro. Cameroon, you have more time to grow up. Yes. The second issue now, you hear it. It's a very, very, very acerbic debate as to the captain or the former captain of the Indomitable Lions, Samuel Eto'o. Our Samuel Eto'o, because I still stand behind this man. Yes, he has the spirit of LVP, Libertas, the liberty to speak his mind, Veritas, to say the truth, and Probitas, to be honest and clean. You have held him for no crime financially. Yes, he has been telling you the truth and you don't want to hear the truth. And then yet, you have taken your decision that he's off your national team. Take the national team and do what you want to do with Eto'o, Patrick Siane and others in Kumba here behind you. Yes, but there's a minority strong on the CPDM side of the issue. But who cares? There's a silent majority in this country that is with people who think truth is important, freedom important, and being clean and proper is important. This is our Kumba. We enjoy it, and the debate there continues. I want to capture a spirit of it to end this show. Yes. Truth. Yes, I'm very good for that. Listen to me. If I'm answerable to you and you are answerable to this man, it means I'm answerable to you. Yes. Is it not so?
About the money that disappeared in 1994. That was a huge sum of money contributed by poor Cameroonians to end up the national team that was suffering somewhere there in US. It is the colors of the nation. But we saw that the money when it disappeared, Concho Comini has been kept quiet in his house, and the money now hijacking different people, imprisoning them for embezzling Cameroon money. What about that one, which was a very large sum of money that we have not seen up to date? I am still proud that if the government does not call Concho Comini to question him, let them bring back that money, then the government is hiding something in his cupboard. Which we shall see it in the
but why are you emphasizing on Eto'o?
And then what makes it true?
You want to raise a question somewhere about the truth.
What makes it true?
Don't raise the negative part of it because it will not be easy with you. Look,
we are telling you,
man is crying for money that he has worked for.
Nobody is beating you up.
For what? You are not free. You have own cases in your hands. I shouldn't be true. Every Cameroonian knows that I'm corrupt or not from the point of what we are doing.
I have made it very
whether you have ever duped one person or not to hijack money from somebody.
Can you
listen? I don't listen because you have
saying,
the point which is
if you want to claim the monopoly,
no.
I just claim the monopoly of wisdom.
By raising the negative side about it of his.
And
that young man has done nothing wrong.
He has done nothing wrong.
That is a free-born Cameroonian who needs to cry for his right that have been
generally very arrogant.
That have been
very arrogant.
Yes.
Name the instances now.
Generally very arrogant.
Name the instances in which
they think
arrogant.
The question say somebody goes out, you go him.
That is only one point. You have been hanging on that point since you started talking about it. Can somebody? I said, but is that your own?
And the question say is not point of view.
The question
looking back to I am not looking even the president of the country.
It's unacceptable by general.
No, just standing here is not acceptable.
Maybe
no, that's the truth. That's the truth. Please accept it.
If we sample the opinions here, according to
you brought it here.
Even over the radio, needs to be called. Yes, and that's why they're dismissing from the Frecafoot table. And he's there. He's living his life. When you want to talk about something, don't call him to use name negatively. That's not
for long. You have been away here for long.
I've been trying to strategize now, so I'm writing my memo for my LVP.
Oh yeah,
LVP. That's correct. Yes, sir. How are you?
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Yes, good to see you. Yes, I'm just trying to write a memo and brochure for the party. Yes, the movement. It's talking one thing and
this issue of party, regional party, and
yes.
party coming.
Mine is not a party; it's a movement. It's a mind game. That's correct. That's correct. We have
a political movement.
That would no. It's a movement that has political change as its objective.
That's why I'm saying it should be a political.
Yes, it has a value of politics, but not only politics. It's to change the mindset of the Cameroonian.
Okay.
The mindset,
Of Cameroonian.
the view, the world view of the